highlighting inner corner of your eyes.
So guys, today I tried this makeup look, a very quick one. I thought I will share it with you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and bell icon next to it. It's a very quick one. If you guys are liking the look, then let's jump right into the video.
I'm starting off with Body Shop Drop of Youth Moisturizer. It leaves your skin really moisturized and give a nice healthy glow to your skin. Massage it thoroughly on your face and neck.
So we are going to use MAC Prep and Prime as our primer. Use this to achieve smooth makeup look. So I'm going to use a pump of it and I'm going to spread it all over my face and neck. This will give a nice and smooth finish to our makeup. And now we are moving on to foundation. For that I'm using MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 and number is NC25. Since it is a bit light for my skin, so I'm going to mix it with this foundation from Body Shop. So to spread foundation on my face, I'm going to use this flat brush. It is really soft and very thick and it gives a very nice and natural finish to my makeup. So for the more natural finish, I use warmth of my hands and I press it against my cheeks and face, and that gives nice finish, nice glowy finish to my makeup.
If the shape of your face is round, always contour your face to define your features and to give illusion of thinner face. So use it under your cheekbones, like I'm making this fish shaped face, so that I can see where my cheekbone ends, and then you have to contour your face from there. Also use contour powder to define jawline. It looks really nice in pics.
And I'm going to use the blusher. For that I'm using this peachy blusher. This one is from Karwa. So we are going to apply loose powder on top of the concealer so that our eyeshadow doesn't crease.
I'm using NYX Brow Cake to fill my brows. So for this, the tip will be same. Always use a very small product and use small strokes to fill in.
So now we are going to use a blending brush and start applying our eyeshadows. So the first eyeshadow we are going to apply is here. That's called transitioning color. That should be very close to your own color, a little bit darker than that. Start applying from outer corner to the inner corner. And then with the same brush, I'm going to move towards a little darker shade. Start applying from outer corner to the inner corner. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So after that I'm going to use this dark shade and I have to be very careful.
A tip for the beginners is always go for a very little product on the brush and deposit it gradually. Take your time to blend the eyeshadows for the more natural finish. Last but not the least, I'm going to use this dark grey shade on my eyelid. In between brushes, I use my fingers as well for the more natural finish. Then I'm going to use the same dark color on the lower lash line.
And now I'm going to move to the eyeliner. For that I'm going to use the NYX eyeliner pencil.
If you're a beginner, use sketch eyeliner instead of liquid eyeliner because it is easier to apply liner with a pen than brush. Always use small strokes to draw small lines. Start from the outer corner and move towards the inner corner of the eyes. And then I'm going to use the kajal pencil on my lower lash line.
So next I'm going to use this NYX Wonder Stick. I'm going to contour my nose with it.
And then using my fingers to blend the product in. It makes your nose look sharp and thin.
Now I'm going to use highlighter.
Do you ever wonder how these celebrities have such a glowing skin when you look at their pics? Half of the credit goes to the highlighter. Use highlighter on the high points of your face. Then I'm going to use this thin lipstick brush to line my lips using the lipstick. If you're applying fake lashes or not, don't forget to add a hint of mascara on your eyelashes. So now makeup is almost done. I will go and change my outfit. These are the palazzo pants I'm gonna try today. So this is the final look, guys. I went for the silver jewelry to complete my look. Highlighting inner corner of your eyes can make a huge difference.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below. And I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy.